Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add Adobe Fonts to Canva. So first, you want to open Canva on your browser. Then over here at the top, you want to click on Fonts. And from here, you want to go ahead and explore all of the available fonts here in Adobe. So once you have chosen your font, you're going to click on it in order to open it. Then you're going to click on Add Font on your desired font. And after that, this window will pop up. Then you're going to click on Open Creative Cloud application. Then it will redirect you to your application or to Adobe Creative Cloud. And from here, you want to click on this install button that says install for non-Adobe apps. And it's important for you to download this so that you'll be able to find it in your computer files so that you can also upload it into Canva. And after that, you want to open your computer files and you want to open up the Creative Cloud's files in your computer. And then you want to click on this folder. Then you're basically going to look for the fonts. Then after you found the files for the fonts, if it's not yet in OTF or in TTF format, you want to go ahead and change that so that you can upload this to Canva. So after that, you want to go ahead and go to Canva. Then you're going to either open up a project or a template. And once you've done that, you're going to click on text over here at the side. Then you want to click on add your brand fonts. So technically you need to be using Canva Pro to be able to upload the fonts. But basically what you're going to do is you're just going to open the files again. Then you're going to drag the file over here to Canva so that you can upload the Adobe fonts here in Canva. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.